How to use the new Ome TV app, that's MiniChat. Once you install MiniChat on the Play Store, let's open it for the first time. It's just the mirror app for Ome TV. Once you open it for the first time, it gives you 3 login options, that is Facebook, Google and VK. You can choose any options. Let me pick the Google one and choose a Google account. Allow the MiniChat to access all the permissions and then continue. Now tap on agree and continue. Now you can allow the permissions here. Allow the camera permission, microphone permission. And thus we are now live on MiniChat. Firstly, it has got the option to select countries just like Ome TV here. You can select the country of your choice. I'm putting Switzerland for now. Also, it has the option of selecting gender. To access the settings of this app, tap on the cogwheel button at the top right side here. You can see a lot of things like you can change the language, translate the messages, chat rules, privacy policy, and you can even log out and delete your MiniChat profile. This small screen at the bottom left side is your video. Now to start video chatting on MiniChat, just tap on the play button here. In order to skip to next person, you can just simply tap on the play button once again. You can even send text message by typing on this field, and in order to stop the video chat, you can just simply tap on the red button here, stop button. So that's all that you need to know in order to use the MiniChat app properly. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.